Welcome back. Storms, fires, water damage. When the unexpected happens, filing a homeowner's insurance claim can feel overwhelming. So it's important to be prepared and know what your legal options are. Back with us today to offer some advice is attorney Chad Florin with Florin Roebig. Chad, thanks for joining us. Appreciate it.
Hey, thanks for having me back.
Yeah, of course. Okay, so what's the first thing you want to do in a case like this?
Well, I guess it really depends on what takes place. If we're talking about a homeowner's claim that you have, whether it be wind, whether it be hail, fire, the first thing that you're going to want to do, and I need everybody to remember this, is that if you see something, say something. It is so important that you promptly report these claims to your carrier, because the quicker that they get noticed, the quicker you can get that claim resolved, and it's going to give them less ammo going forward to deny your claim.
So we have hail issues all the time. Storm damage is like a popular thing, especially flooding as well. So a lot of these claims are made, but I don't think people realize that it becomes a legal issue. So what rights do people have, and when does it become a legal issue if your insurance provider is not providing your coverage like you think they should?
Well, sure. I think the first thing that everybody needs to do, and if you don't have a copy of your policy at your house, get it. And I'm not just talking the deck page, which says how much each individual bucket, I guess, if you will, in your house is covered for. But you're going to want to see all the language, because that's going to dictate what you need to do to move forward. It's so important that you promptly report these claims to the carrier. Once you do that, they have to get back to you within 10 days. And anytime that you submit any requests in writing, they need to get back to you in 10 days as well. And after they get enough information, they can make a coverage determination. And that's kind of where the problems start.
What if they deny your claim, but you feel like it's a legitimate claim? What are your next steps?
I think the best thing that anyone can do in that situation is talk to an attorney. I get it, people want to handle this stuff on their own, but there's deadlines that come into play. There's cooperation clauses that you need to follow, and there's little steps every section that you're going forward that you just don't want to mess it up, and it's so helpful to have someone by your side that does this for a living.
And what if people say, well, I don't have thousands of dollars for a retainer for an attorney? Are there ever free quotes, or how does that work? How can people get started?
Yeah, so you can always talk to an attorney for free for a consultation. And what's good is that in our judicial system, most attorneys work on what's called a contingency fee basis, which means that they take a percentage of the recovery at the end. Why that's important? It allows everyone access to our system.
Great, this is good advice. I appreciate it, because we have these claims all the time. A lot of our rates have gone up because of a lot of these storms, and it's interesting to know that. Chad, thank you for being here. Really appreciate it. And if you want to revisit any of Chad's advice, you can find this segment on care11.com on the 4 p.m. page.